1.2, question number 9 and question number 10. Now, for question 9 and 10 is exercise 1.2. Now, for question number 9, we require this chart. This chart says if there is a form 2x upon 1 plus x square, we have to replace x by tan theta, so that we get the formula for sin 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And if there is a form 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, we have to replace x is equal to tan theta, so that we get the cos 2 theta form, that is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. If there is 2x upon 1 minus x square form, then we have to replace x is equal to tan theta to get tan 2 theta. Now, the corresponding formula are as follows. We will replace it whenever there is a example of this type. So, first example we are going to solve is to solve cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. We have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So, let y is equal to given function. Now, to differentiate this function, we have to solve the example for cos inverse of cos. Now, we have the form 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So, we will put x by tan theta to get the formula for cos 2 theta. So, replacing x by, put x is equal to tan theta, so that theta is equal to tan inverse x. We have to replace it. We require dy by dx, y in terms of x. So, y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x is tan theta. So, tan square theta, x square, tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, which is formula for cos 2 theta. Now, to the reference is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So, we can use cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Now, cos inverse and cos get cancelled, and we get y is equal to 2 theta, where theta is tan inverse x. So, y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now, we can differentiate this y with respect to x. So, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to as it is derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So, 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is the required result. Now, second example we are going to solve is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Now, if there is 2x upon 1 minus x square, we have to again require the form of tan 2x. Tan inverse of tan 2x will give tan inverse tan cancel and 2x. So, second example we are going to solve is y is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So, we know the formula for tan 2x to tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. To use the formula, we have to replace or put x by tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. So, theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So, y is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, which is formula for tan 2 theta. So, we get y is equal to tan inverse of tan 2 theta. So, y is equal to tan inverse and tan cancels, we get 2 theta, and this is 2. Theta is tan inverse x. So, required derivative, we have to write here differentiating with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to as it is derivative of tan or dy by dx is again 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is our second example. Now third example we are going to solve is y is equal to, third example, y is equal to cos inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Now, observe the chart. There is, if there is 3x minus 4x cube or 1 minus 2x square, then we have to replace x by sin theta. And when we replace x by sin theta, we get 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, which is formula for sin 3 theta. Okay. So using formula for sin 3 theta, will replace x by sin theta. So put x is equal to sin theta. That implies theta is equal to sin inverse x. So y is equal to cos inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, which is equal to cos inverse of, this is formula for sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. Now we need cos inverse of cos 4. We have to convert this sin into cos. So cos inverse of sin is converted into cos. We have to write it as cos of pi by 2 minus 3 theta. Now we can cancel cos inverse and cos, and we get y is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 theta. Now this is simplified form. While replacing theta, we will get the differentiation. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 theta is sin inverse of x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 2. It's constant, it has no variable. So derivative of pi by 2 is 0. Derivative of 3 sin square x minus sin as it is, 3 as it is, multiple constant 3 as it is, derivative of sin inverse x. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So 1 upon under root 1 minus x. Hence dy by dx is equal to minus 3 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Which is our required answer. Now we are going to solve fourth example. The fourth example is that y is equal to sin inverse of 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. Now, when there is 2x or when there is a bracket under root 1 minus x square, we have to replace x by sin theta or cos theta. Since we get 1 minus sin square theta as cos square theta, or 1 minus cos square theta will be sin square theta. So we can use the formula here. So replacing x by sin theta, or we may write x as cos theta. So we substitute x by sin theta, which implies theta is equal to sin inverse x. So y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta into under root of 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta into under root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So sin inverse of 2 sin theta into square and square root cancels, cos theta. Now we have the formula 2 sin theta into cos theta as sin 2 theta. So using the formula, we get sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So y is y is equal to 2 theta. Now we can differentiate this y with respect to x. We replace theta. First of all, y is equal to 2 sin inverse of x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So answer will be 2 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So required answer. Now next example we are going to solve is question number 5. Cos inverse of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon, so if there is plus e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. We will solve the fifth example. It is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. So fifth example, y is equal to cos inverse of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Now we have to simplify first for y. We can simplify for the better result to substitute x. Okay, so we will divide the numerator and denominator by e raised to minus x or e raised to x. So cos inverse of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x. So we will get as cos inverse of 1 minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x will give e raised to minus x into e raised to minus x, that is equal to e raised to minus 2x. So as e raised to minus 2x upon 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. Now we can use the formula for cos 2 theta, so that we can replace 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, so that tan square theta is tan theta is e raised to minus x. So we'll arrange the terms. Y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus e raised to minus x square upon 1 plus e raised to minus x square. Now we substitute, put e raised to minus x by tan theta, so that theta is equal to, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse of e raised to minus x. So y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, which is formula for cos 2 theta. So using this formula we get y is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta, which will give cos inverse cos cancels and we get 2 theta. Replacing theta, theta is tan inverse of e raised to minus x. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Now differentiating this y with respect to x, we get differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So using this form we get 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus x square into derivative of e raised to minus x, that is e raised to minus x, derivative of minus x is minus. So we get the answer as 2 minus 2 e raised to minus x upon 1 plus e raised to minus x. So we can simplify further. We get dy by dx is equal to its negative power can be converted into the positive power. We get minus 2 upon 2 by e raised to x upon. When we cross multiply this, we will get the common denominator e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x. And we get this e raised to x goes to the numerator, 2 e raised to 2x upon e raised to x goes to the denominator, e raised to x in bracket, e raised to 2x plus 1. So that 1 times e raised to x will cancel and we get dy by dx as minus 2 e raised to x upon e raised to 2x plus 1, which is our required dy by dx. This is our dy by dx. When there are negative powers, the answer we have to simplify further to get the positive powers in the functions. So, next example is sin inverse of 4 raised to x plus 1 half upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Sixth example, y is equal to sin inverse of 4 raised to x plus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Now, in sin inverse, we require sine. We have the formula for sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So, here there is a form. We have to simplify. We get tan sin inverse of, when there is a common power and there is addition in the power form, there is a common base 4 and addition in the power, then we can split the base so that it will become 4 raised to x into 4 raised to 1 half upon 1 plus this 2 raised to 4x, we may write it as 2 square raised to 2x. So, is equal to sin inverse of 4 raised to 1 half means root 4. Root 4 means 2. So, this is 2 4 raised to x. 4 raised to 1 half is under root of 4 and under root of 4 is 2. So, here we get 2 into 4 raised to x upon 1 plus 2 square is 4 raised to 2 raised to x. We may write it as 4 raised to x square. So, we get the required form here, sin 2 theta, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, where we may replace 4 raised to x as tan theta. So, put 4 raised to x is equal to tan theta. So, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse 4 raised to x. So, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is formula for sin 2 theta, sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So, sin inverse and sin cancels, we get y is equal to 2 theta, where theta is tan inverse of 4 raised to x to tan inverse of 4 raised to x. Now differentiating y with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is. Derivative of tan inverse 4 raised to x. Tan inverse x is derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x square into d by dx of 4 raised to x. And derivative of 4 raised to x is a raised to x of a raised to x into log a. So 4 raised to x log 4